guys, right here, and today I'm going to show you my Nerf guns. Okay, now I'm going to get back up. I'm good. Right. So, get my face in the camera. People usually start off with their worst and get to their best. But I'm going to start off with my best. Yeah. So, here it is. Okay. You might have got a glimpse of it there, but I'm just going to give you a... That's probably too much, so I'm just going to show it. 3, 2, 1. Boom. State of the art Nerf gun. Like, seriously. You're probably thinking, oh, he's so stupid. So dumb. Trust me. I'm not. I'm being 100% serious. Look at this. Could even make it into a stick. Look at that. Now it's a stick. Oh wait, I forgot how to make it. I made that gun like a couple months ago, now I forgot. No! Did I break you? Nah, he's alright. Now for the second one. Okay. This one, it's not even mine, it's my brother's, but, you know. What's it called? Flip Fury? It's called, 'cause you can flip it. And then you go. Hey! Can you? There we go. Sorry? Oh, yeah. So you got double barrel. And to take it out, I have no idea how, but yeah, that's that one. Flip Fury. So we got, I'm not even going to count that one. So comment down below which one you like best. So comment hashtag Flip Fury if you liked it the best. Now for the next one. This one I see everywhere. It's called Strong Arm. This one. Pull back, shoot. This one I know how you can take the barrel out. So you press this orange button and you push on it. That way where the name isn't. Or what? So the button's on this side where the name is not in clear writing. So you press that and then you push to the way where it has the clear writing. Like, I lied. You push it the same way where the button is. Yeah. Then that. Just pull it back and then press the trigger to shoot. That's that. So comment hashtag Strong Arm if you like this one the best. Now for the last one. This shouldn't be the last one, but couldn't find my mega gun. It's basically this but bigger and doesn't have the barrel, as you can like shoot two bullets like in the gun. So it shoots one. So you pull back, so you put the bullet in, close it up, pull it back, and yeah, shoot. So comment hashtag mega if you want that one to win, even though it's not here because he kind of disappeared. Why are you open? I hate my closets. So for the last one, this one's called Strato Bow. You can tell it's going to be a bow. So you start off with it. So this thing's got to be going up. yeah. So you start with it at the very bottom. Put all your bullets in. I lost all of them in my first day of having it. So be careful of that if you get it. This isn't, I'm not sponsored by Nerf. Just letting you know. Nobody like Nerf? Okay. So yeah. Stratobow. So all you have to do is put it to the bottom. This one's really simple. Where this orange thing is that's where it's going to be pulled back. I wouldn't recommend it if you have your hand right there. It's probably going to sting if you like flip back really hard like that, like only a bit. Put your hand up, that, shoot. Once it gets to the top, that's probably when the bullets have all gone, because it doesn't go any down from there. So yeah, comment hashtag Stratobow. Here's the spelling there. Hopefully that's not backwards. Okay, so I'm going to get all three guns out again. Okay. So, I just ditched my exercise. I just ditched Randio. I'll introduce you to Randio in another video, but okay. So, Flip Fury. Strong Arm. Wait. Hashtag Flip Fury if you want that one to win. Hashtag Strong Arm if you want that one to win. And hashtag Stratobow if you want that one to win. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, please. Leave a like. Turn notifications on. And that's it. So, see ya and out.